Hey everyone, welcome to Rooms and Vues. My name is Sherley, and today we are at the Society of the Four Arts Gardens, beautiful garden located in West Palm Beach, Florida. I'm excited to check it out with you. Let's go. I absolutely love this place. It's a beautiful hidden gem in the middle of the city of West Palm Beach. It's close to downtown, so for me this is best of both worlds because I'm a city girl. I love being outside, but I also love nature. I love the beach, I love trees and flowers. I just don't like wilderness or the wild nature, like in its natural state. This is perfect because it is a kind of structured wilderness, if I can put it like this. As soon as you enter the garden, you really enter into a world. It's like you don't know what you're about to get into. It's much bigger than what it looks like from the outside. And there's a lot of beautiful areas in the entry. Like as you walk in, you see beautiful sculptures and artwork. So it's kind of like walking into an art gallery, but outside, you know, and it's beautiful. There's like this serene atmosphere in here. So if you want to just come and meditate and just read a book, you can do that. But you can also come with your family. As you can see, we decided to have a little bit of a picnic. There's like picnic tables everywhere and, well, not everywhere, but they have designated areas with picnic tables. And you can just sit down and relax, enjoy a nice little meal, a snack. There's this section as you walk into the garden. It's like this Asian style garden, and it's just beautiful and peaceful. I really love how the hedges are disposed, and it just feels like the type of decor that we try to replicate when we do these tropical and exotic looks for like special events indoors. So to have it naturally outside is really a really super cool experience. I haven't been exposed to a lot of tropical vegetation. So to see banana trees, for example, and just the tropical flowers and all that, to see it in real life and outside in its, well, I guess, I don't know if it's its natural climate, but because these have been planted, but definitely cool to see. And I know that sometimes we feel like, what are we gonna do in a garden? But this garden is super cool. They have restrooms, there's libraries, children's library and a adult library in the Society of the Four Arts, which is like basically where the garden is. You can go read a book. I guess you can borrow some books and read them outside in the garden, which makes the experience 10 times better. And what I really appreciated also is that there are a lot of like shaded areas because we are in Florida, so it gets pretty hot and sunny, but they have these canopies that have been placed specifically in the right areas so that as you walk through the garden, you can take a break under a canopy and just sit in the shade of the trees and the leaves, and you can they even have benches there so you can sit down and relax. Yeah, I would definitely come here more than once. I think that this is a cool place if you are somebody who likes to pray and meditate. This is a good place to come in the quiet, in the peaceful atmosphere that there is in this garden. There's also like water fountains, which is pretty cool for kids. So the kids love, anytime they see water, they're excited. And if you're a photographer, this is a nice spot to take pictures. It's different from the beach. You know, when you're in Florida, you always feel like you have to go to the beach to have photo shoots. But this is really a nice setting for photo shoots. It's a nice place for a stroll on a romantic date. I really love it. I love this garden. It's beautiful, and I had a great time the first time I came. And I think that anytime you come, you'll just have a different experience every single time. I don't think you can ever really get enough of this place. I would even suggest to come, like if you want to go on a date and you want to have conversations, I would suggest to come to this place. Like, take your girl to a garden. You don't have to buy her any flowers. You can just take her to a garden. And you know what's good also? The best part about this is that the admission is free. It's like walking into a park. So it's free. It's open, I think, but from 10 to 4 or 10 to 5 p.m. on weekdays and even on the weekends. Parking is free. There's a private parking lot for the Society of the Four Arts, and there's also free parking for a couple hours, for 2 hours on the street. It's just perfect. You don't have to spend a dime to have a good time. I made it rhyme. Whoopsie. Anyways, yeah, that was kind of whack. That was funny. Definitely come check out the Society of the Four Arts Gardens. It's a beautiful place. It's worthwhile. You'll spend a good time there. Come early to spend the whole day to really absorb everything that you're seeing, the art, the flowers, the scenery. We decided to come in with the kids, and what's cool is that when you have young kids, you want to make sure to go to a place that has the least maintenance possible. And this place is perfect because there's bathrooms. They have an area with tables and bathrooms, and it's kind of like an indoor-outdoor setup. So you're still outside, but you go inside the bathroom. I love it because the kids can kind of explore and walk around the spaces like it's a spacious area, but they can't get wet, which means that it's less work for us as parents. There's also a children's library here, so if you want to, get the kids into like some reading, and I believe that they also have some events. Today, for example, they're having a movie night in one of the buildings of the Society of the Four Arts, and so you can watch a movie. If you're a member, it's free. If you're not a member, it's like $10 for admissions. Hey, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the stroll in the gardens, the beautiful gardens of the Society of the Four Arts in West Palm Beach, Florida. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this kind of content. Subscribe, like, comment, share. I'll catch you in the next episode. God bless you.